Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert checkmark symbol in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to insert checkmark symbol. At first, select any cell. Otherwise, click an text box. Go to the insert menu, then create a text box. Click inside the text box and go back again the insert menu. Select the symbol option, then search the symbol. The font is wingdings. Write the wingdings. Then we can see here the wingdings font. You can add the check mark symbol, find and select the check mark. We can see here the check mark. Now I am click insert. Close the window. Then select the check mark and go back the home menu. Increase the size. Now we can see we insert a check mark symbol in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.